8D question number 1. Find the coefficient of x cubed in the binomial expansion. So we want to find the coefficient of x cubed. Okay, so we can write the x cubed term spread, that is 5c3 x cubed, match with this one, and this is going to be 3 square, y minus 3 2. So now this is the coefficient of x cubed. So 5c3 is going to be 1 2 3. This is going to be 10, and this is 9, and x cubed 90 x square x cubed. So the coefficient is going to be 90. 1 plus 2x5, 5 c3 2x3, then 1 5 minus 3 2, 5c3 2 3 x3. So this is going to be the so 5c3 mean 10 times 2 to the power 3 mean 8 x cubed. So this is going to be 80 x cubed, and coefficient is 80. C1 minus x. This is 1 plus minus x, 6. So 6 C3 minus x 3 and 1 3. Basically coefficient is x3, and this is going to be minus 1 cube x cube. So 6 3 c is going to be 15, and this is minus 1 x cube, so minus 15 x cube. Actually this is 20, so this is minus 20 x cube, so coefficient is minus 20. D, when you look at this, so first term is going to be 5, and the second term is going to be 4, and the third term is going to be 3. So this is going to be 5 0 5 1 5 2. Basically we need this term. So what is this term? 5c2 3x cube, then 2 to the power 2. So this is going to be 5c2 mean 10, and this is 3 square x 3 cube x cube, and this is going to be 2 square 4. So 40 times 9 x cube, and so this is 27, 3 to the power 3, 27 times 4, this This is going to be 1080 x cube. So the coefficient is 1080. Coefficient is 1080. You can work like this as well. You can write 2 plus 3x to the power 5. You search this one because 2 plus 3 equal 3 plus 2. Then this is going to be 5c3, 3x3 and 2 square. Still the same thing. So this is going to be 5c3 mean 10 times 4. This is going to be 3 cube x cube. So 10 times 4, 27 x cube. This is 1080 x cube. This is going to be 10c3 x3 and 17. Basically 10c3 x3. The coefficient is going to be 10c3. So 10c3 is factorial 10, factorial 3 and factorial 7. 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is 2, this is 4. So this is going to be 12 times 10, 120. So 3 minus 2x, so we can write 3 plus minus 2x to the 6, and third term we want to write 6c3 minus 2x3 and 3. Oh, this is not third term, first term, or you can write this is x3 term. Right, so now this is 6c. It's going to be 20. Coefficient is minus 4320. 1 plus x20 23 1 x cube. This is 70. It means 23 x cube. This is the x3 term you can have on this one, and coefficient is 1140. 7c3 minus 3x3 and 447 minus 3. 7c3 4 and minus 3 x cube. So this 7 value is going to 35 times x cube. So this is going to be minus 241920 x cube. So coefficient is minus 241920. So this is going to be 1 plus minus half x 6. So x3 term is 6c3 1 3 minus half of x3. So this is 6c3. This is going to be minus 108 times x3. So 63 20 times minus 108 x3. This is going to be 5 divided by 2 minus x3. Coefficient is minus 5 divided by 2. 7c 3 equal half x times 3 and 3 3. So 7c3 equal, this is 27 and 108 x3. 7c3 35 times 27 times 108 x3. Coefficient 28358. Fifty-six times 32 times minus 108 x cubed. 8 times 1, this is 4. You can get 4 times. Coefficient is minus 2 to 4. Two plus ax 6. The coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2 plus ax 8D part, question number 2. Coefficient of x square is 60. So coefficient of x square is, we'll find 6c3, sorry, 62 ax square 2 4. So 6c2 mean 15 times 2 4 means 16 a square x square. So coefficient of x square equal 15 times 16 times a square, and this is equal to, but 15 times 16 a square equal to 60, and this is going to be 4 a square equal 4 over 16, which is 1 over 4. A square equal 1 over 4, a equal square root 1 over 4 plus minus, which is plus half plus or minus half. Coefficient of x5 x cube equal minus 720. So coefficient of x cube mean 5 c 3 square b x cube. So 10 times 9 times b square b cube x cube. So this is the coefficient of x cube. 10 times 9 times b cube equal minus 720. B cube equal minus 720 divided by 90. So that is going to be minus 8. So b equal minus 2. B cube mean minus 2 cube, hence b equal minus 2. So we want to find the coefficient of x cube term. Now we'll see that how you can make x cube. When 2 multiply by x cube term, then it make x cube term. Or plus x multiply by x square term, still also make x cube term. Then I have to find two coefficients, two terms. One is x cube term, another one is x square term. So 2 times x cube term, how can I write? 3, 4, 3 minus x cube, and this is going to be 3, 1, 2. This is the other cubic term from this expression. And we have to simplify this one. This is 2, 4, 3 mean it's going to be 4. 2 times, 4 times, 3 times minus a cube times x cube. Then x times x square. So x term, when you multiply x square term, how do you write? 4 to 3 square minus ax square. It means this is 4 to mean this is 6, and this is 9, and this is a square, and this is going to be x cube. Now those are the terms you can find. So this is going to be 2 times 4, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. 24 minus 24a cube plus 45a square times x cube. This is the x cube term. Now 9 times 6 is 54. Now this is equal to minus 24a cube plus 54 a square equal, the number is given, it's going to be 30. Now if I multiply by minus 24a cube minus 54a square equal minus 30. 24a cube minus 54a cube plus 30 equal 0. So we can divide, this is goes by 6. 4a cube 9a square plus 5 equal 0. Now we have to simplify this one cubic equation. How do you solve this equation? I will take this as fa equal 4a cube 9a square. Now we have to try the factorizing terms. So a equal 0, a equal 1, a equal minus 1. So we'll try a equal 0 doesn't work. A equal 1, this is 4. Yes, a equal 1 work. When a equal 1, this is going to be 4 minus 9 plus y equals 0. Hence a equal 1 is a root. Hence a minus 1 is a factor. Now we'll divide 4a cube 9a square plus 5 divided by a minus 1. This is going to be 4a square 4a cube. Right, this is plus 0x plus 5. There is no 0a, not x. There is no 1a term, so I introduced 1. So then this is going to be minus 4a square. This is going to be minus 5a square plus 0. Here I bring down. Then this is going to be minus 5. When I bring minus 5 here, I'll bring the plus 5 as well. 5 times a minus 5a. So they're going to be minus 5a square minus 5a. So this is cancel out when you minus this one. This is 5a plus 5. Then this is going to be plus 5. 5a. This is plus 5 because minus times minus. And now this is minus 5a. Then I have to bring minus 5. This is minus 5a plus 5. Answer is 0. So I can write this one a minus 1 times 4a square minus 5a minus 5. Then 4a cube 9a square plus 5 equals 0. We break into a minus 1 times 4a square minus 5a minus 5 equal 0. Then a minus 1 equals 0 or 4a minus 5a minus 5 equals 0. So a equal 1. No, this is going to be a minus b plus or minus minus 5 square minus 4 times a times c minus 5 divided by 2 times 4. This is going to be 5 plus or minus 25 plus 80, 105 over 8. So the answer is first 5 plus 105 square root 8 or A equal 5 minus 105 square root 8. 1 minus 2x p question number 4. Coefficient of x square is 40. We write the x square term. So p, first of all we want to write in the right form 1 plus minus 2x p. Then p2 minus 2x2 and 1 p minus 2. Addition is 2. So p2 p whatever the power is 1. So this is 1 times minus 2 square is 4. 2 square x square. Then coefficient of x square is 4p2. This value equal 40. 4 p2 means factorial 4 divided by factorial 2 p minus 2 factorial equal 40. So this one factorial p I am going to write in terms of p minus 1 p minus 2 factorial, because p minus 2 factorial here I can cancel out. 4 times p I am writing p minus 1 p minus 2 factorial divided by p minus 2 factorial times 2 equal 40. So this is cancel out, and this is going to be 4p 2 equal 40. And this is cancel out to 2p equal p minus 1 times 40. This is 20. P times p minus 1 is 20. P square minus p minus 20 equals 0. P minus 5. P plus 4 equals 0. So p equal 5 or p equal minus 4. But given that p greater than 0, hence p equal 5. When I write coefficient of x square, this is the p2. This is the easy way. But it is only valid for the x value is power is 1. If it is 2 or any other power, it's not going to work. Now we know p is 5. So 1 plus minus 2x, 5. Question B, the value of the constant p. Now we done. B, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x we will give 5, 1. So minus 2x, 1 and 1, 4. So 5, 1 is 5 times minus 2 times x, which is minus 10. Coefficient of x is minus 10. Coefficient of x cube we need to find. Then 5, 3 minus 2x3 and 1 square. So 5, 3 mean 10 times 1 times minus 2 to the power 3 x3, or 10 times minus 8 x cube. So minus 80 x cube. Right? Coefficient of x cube is minus 80. We want to write that this is question number 6 for 3 terms. So 5, 0, px0, 5, 30, and 5, 1, 5, 29, px, and 5, 2, 5, 28, px square, plus dot dot dot. This is equal 530 plus 5 times 529 px, and this is 10 times 528 p square x square plus dot dot. 530, this is 530 as well, px, and this is 2 times 529 p square x square plus 10, 528, right? 2 times 528. This is become 29 to 529. This is this error here. This is 30. This has to be 1, then 30, and this one has to be, this is 30. Actually, this is 30 C0, 31, and 32, and this is 5. This is 30 times 529, 32, 30 C2 factorial 30 factorial 2 factorial 28. I mean 30 times 29 divided by 2. This means 15 times 29. This is 15. 15 times 29. Now there's the equation. Coefficient of x square is 29 times of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x square equal 435 28 p square, and this is 29 times coefficient of x 30 29 p. Now I can divide both sides by 528. So 435 p square equal 29 times 30, 5 times p. So this will come out of p square equal um, 2930 4350 p 435. When you divide 435, p square equal 10p. P square minus 10p equals 0. So p times p minus 10 equals 0. P equals 0 or p equal 10 to answers. P can't be equal to 0, otherwise there's no binomial exit. Hence p equal 1 plus qx times 10. Q is non-zero. 10 say 0, qx 0, 10 c 1. I don't consider 1 because 1 times any power is 1. I just concentrate of the ascending series. So qx1, 10c2, qx square, and 10c3, qx cube. So this is going to be 1 plus 10 times q x. This is um, 45 times q square x square, and 10c3 is going to be 120 q3 x3. That's the equation given. Coefficient of x cube, which is 120 times q to the power 3 equal 180 times coefficient of x, which is 10 q. So I can see this is cancelled out, and 12 times 12q equal 108q. q3 equal divided by 12, 9q. So q cube minus 9q equal 0. Q I factorize, q square minus 9 equal 0. Then you can write q minus 3, q plus 3 equal 0. 9 means 3 square, difference of 2 square. So q equals 0 or q equal 3 or q equal minus 3. So many options. But q can't be 0 because then there is no sum exist. So, but q not equal to 0. Hence q is only possibilities plus or minus 3. We want to write the first 3 terms of this one. So we'll start 11, 0, px0, 11, 1, px square, and 11, 2, px cube, dot, dot, dot. So this is going to be everything is 1 plus 11p square x square, then 11, 2 is going to be 55. I think my expansion is wrong. This is 1 and this is 2. So then 11px, then 55 p square x square plus dot dot. 11 2 means 55. So the same expansion, same terms of this expansion is going to be 1 and then 77x and qx square. We want to find the values of q and p. Now we can see 11p equal to 77. by equating the coefficient of x. So then p equals 7. Then equating the coefficient of x square. So here it is q equal, instead of 55 p square. So q equal 55 p mean what? 7 square. So q equal 55 times 49, which is 2695. Question number 9, first three terms. So this is going to be 1 plus, sorry, 15 0 px 0 and plus 15 0. 15 is, I'm not writing because 115 is 1. Okay, I'll write 114 px 1, and this is 1. 15 2, 113 px 13 plus dot dot dot. This is going to be 1, and this is going to be 15 px. This is 15 to 15 to factorial 15, factorial 2, factorial 13, 15 times 14 divided by 2, 7 times 15, that is 105. This is p square x square. So this is part A. Part B is, so given that coefficient of x is minus q, it means 15p equal minus q, and coefficient of x square equal is 5q. It means 105 p square equal 5q. Now we want to find these two. This is 1 and this is 2. I can see 2 divided by 1. 105 p square 5q divided by 15p over minus q. Q to q cancel out. This is p and 1p cancel out. 15 times this is 5, so I'll cancel out 1, and this is 221, and this is going to be 3 times 5, 3 times 7. It means 7p over 5 equal minus 1. 7p equal minus 5. Let me deal differently because I cancel out one answer. The best way is I will make so q, I will substitute from 1 and 2. 105p square equal 5 times q equal minus 15p. Minus q is equal 15p, so then 105p square equal 5 times minus 15p. So this is going to be 5 21 and 3 and 5. So 7p square minus 5p equals 0. This is minus actually plus p. So I'll take p out, 7 plus p, 7p plus. When I take p out, the remaining is 7p. And when I take p out here, 5 equals 0. Then p equals 0 or 7p equal minus 5. P equal minus 5 over 0. If p equals 0, there is no sum to work out. So then p can't be equal to 0. Hence p equal minus 5 over 7. In the sum also it clearly say p is a non-zero constant, because we have to give, otherwise if this is become 0, 1 to the power 15, there's no binomial exist. Now here we need to write coefficient of x9 and coefficient of x10. So we'll write x9 first. Coefficient of x9. So we have to write like this: 39, 1, and x9, 1, 30 minus 9, 21, which is 39. 121 is still 1, and x9, so 39. So 39 mean factorial 30 minus factorial 9, and 30 minus 9 factorial 21. This answer 140,307 point x9. Now x10. Coefficient of x10, then 30, 10, 30, 10, and x10. This is going to be 120. So 30, 30 and 10, x10. Now actually this value is p. P equal 30 over 9. Not 30 over 9, 39. Q equal 30, 10. Now we want to find Q divided by P. So we'll work out now. We don't need to actually calculate this one. First of all, I'll take Q. Q means 30 C10. So 30 factorial, 10 factorial, and 20 factorial. And P equal 30 C9. 30 factorial, 9 factorial, and 21 factorial. So now Q divided by P means 30 factorial divided by 20 factorial, 10 divided by this one, 30 factorial, and 2 factorial, and 9 factorial. So now we are going to put 30 factorial, 20 factorial, 10 factorial times 30 factorial over, this is going to be up 21 factorial, and 9 factorial. So this is cancel out. This is 21 factorial. So I can write this one 21 times 20 factorial and 9 factorial, this one, and this is going to be 20 factorial, and factorial 10 I can write in terms of 9. 10 times 9 factorial. Now we can cancel out this one, this one, this one, and this one. So Q divided by P equal 21 over 10. Here this is a division, right? A divided by B equals C divided by D. It means A divided by CD. Then A over B multiplied by D over C. So that is the theory I use here.